What is going on, guys? It's about 8 o'clock in the morning on a Friday. Sean's eating a potato, and we are ready to head out and pick up our very first bike that we bought from a salvage auction, a 2013 GSXR 750. Alright guys, so me and Sean are on our way to IAA right now. It's Insurance Auto Auctions. Basically, this is the place where you can purchase salvage motorcycles, vehicles that have gone through accidents and claimed through insurance companies. So this is where we purchased the bike from. We're heading there right now. And another little life update, myself and Sean, we actually both quit our jobs on this past Friday, so we are doing RK Motorsports full time. So we're going all out with this, and we're gonna make it huge. So we're on our way to IAA, and we'll keep you guys updated once we get there. All right, guys. So we are pulling into the yard right now. I just have to go inside and do some paperwork and actually pay for the bike first, and then we should be able to get that out, and then they're gonna bring the bike over to us.
Rob here has a little problem with the paperwork on the bike. We're getting that figured out.
I messed up.
It is currently 9:04, so let's see.
All right, guys, so basically what happened was I went to the yard and I was trying to pay for the bike in order to pick it up. They said that I couldn't use my business checks to pay for the bike. Essentially, I have to have like a year of experience, you know, buying and selling the vehicles in order to write checks. They said I can't really do that right now. So they said in the meantime, what I can do is I can do a money order to pay for the bike. So that's where we're heading right now. We're heading to the local post office to see if I can get some money orders, and we will pay for the bike, and hopefully we can get this thing picked up soon.
Two hours later.
We got the money orders. Oh boy, this is the first time ever doing money orders, so I did not know what to expect. So we've got $3,458 in money orders. Whoops, that's how much I paid for the bike. So we are gonna head back to IAA, and we're gonna see if we can't pick up that GSXR 750.
How's it going there, guys? It's officially 9:54. Robert is in the building. Motorcycle should be here in about 10 minutes. Hope Rob doesn't add this to the video. Hope Rob doesn't add this to the video. But Rob, when you're editing the video, it's gonna be pretty cool. So, see you later.
All right, we got the bike right here. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Figured I'd roll it over here.
It works a lot easier than picking it up with the forklift. Nice. That'll work. We can get it in there then.
All right.
I appreciate it.
He was gonna come over just in case.
Yeah, we're all set. We got ramps and stuff, so appreciate it. Thank you. All right. So I actually have to check the mileage on this thing real quick because they put the wrong mileage on the paperwork. So let's see. Oh, I don't think I have
Tools, did you?
Oh, I did not bring tools. We might have to figure something out real quick. All right, so I got my toolkit out. We got these side plastics off. I think I need another. Oh yeah, we got to get these. We got the bolts out for the seat. We just got to pop this seat up, and then we got to check the mileage so that they can put the correct mileage on the paperwork. There we go. Okay, so we got the seat off. Holy sweet Jesus. All right, so we're gonna hook the battery up. Look at all that wiring. LED kit. I hate wires for LEDs. I'm gonna rip all that stuff out. Throw these in here.
What'd you guess the mileage, Rob?
I'm gonna guess 22,000 for the mileage. All right, that's on. Let's see what we got. 21,747. So I was pretty close to 22. All right, so I'm gonna take a picture of this and I'm gonna get in there, and then you can fill out the paperwork so that it has the correct mileage.
officially 10:18, and me and Rob are rolling out.
It took a little bit longer than we originally expected, but we got the bike.
With the
Paperwork's all cleared up, so that's good. So now we're heading back to the shop, and we're gonna do a little walk around the bike afterwards once we get back, and kind of show you guys the extent of the damage on the Salvage GSXR 750. All right, we got Mr. High Vis safety vest. We're here, grab some lunch, but we saw these cool cars. We got an AMX over here. Got that other, what'd you say, Catalina up on the flatbed. And we got that little, Genesis purple joint over there. So we got the moto van. We're gonna go into Burger King and grab some food. All right, we got our burgers, bag of burgers. Sean's, what the you tripping?
I tripped, oh my god.
Sean's tripping over here. All right, so we're gonna eat in the van. We got our sack of meat, and then we're gonna head back to the shop and take a look at that Gixxer. Yeah, eat that fry. Yeah, eat that nug. Sean, I think that Burger King's doing a number on me.
That's not good.
I'm feeling it.
I was feeling it a little bit, but I thought I could get a little bit longer.
How well that kicked in, or how quick that kicked in.
Here, watch your feet. Let me grab the ramp. Man. So guys, when you're 6'7", you can easily unload a bike just like that.
Make it look easy. So what we've got here, we've got it back at the shop now, and we're just gonna kind of do a damage assessment, damage overview with you guys. Obviously you can see, we've got some plastics hanging off on this side. We've got some, looks like some mismatched stuff over here. We got some tape holding the mirror together, so we're gonna need new mirrors. The right side of this bike really isn't that bad. We've got part of the plastic is broken right there. You can see right in there. I'm gonna get a new fairing kit for this bike anyways, so I'm not too worried about those fairings right now. We've got this little custom exhaust. I'm gonna throw that off. I actually think I do have a stock exhaust for this I might throw on there, or we might get an aftermarket one. We'll see how it goes. We've got a little bit of damage back here. Got our tail light, turn signal falling off, cracked plastics, but it doesn't look too bad. I was honestly surprised at how new these tires are. These things are like brand spanking new. You can see there's still that tread right in there. Those are like brand new. Same with the front also. You can see we got like a little indentation from the markings from when they make the tire. Those are like brand spanking new. I was super happy when I found out that this tank did not have any damage. We have looks like a little surface scratch right there. Should be able to buff that out. But the tank is really kind of flawless right now. Got some damage over here. Again, that's just the fairings. Stator cover's a little scratched up. It's not leaking anything, so that's good. I might just get a new cover for that. We've got rear set broken right here. So I'm gonna have to get a new rear set for that. What else we got? This lever right here was bent down pretty good, so I'm gonna have to get that. We got our bar ends all scratched up. I did look in here, and it looked like there's that little, might not be able to see it right now, but there is a little crack in our front fairing stay bracket, so I'm gonna have to get a new front fairing stay. And honestly, I mean, this bike really isn't that bad. It's kind of a shame that it's going to come back with a salvage title, because this is really just cosmetic stuff that's wrong with the bike. We did power it up earlier at the salvage yard. Had, I think, 21,747 miles on it. We were able to start it up and it runs. But yeah, that's kind of like the overview of the extent of damage on this bike right now. That is going to wrap up today's video for this GSXR 750. We are not going to be doing a rebuild on this just yet, because we have to wait for the plastics, the fairing pieces to come in. That's going to take a couple months. So until then, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you get updates when we start doing rebuilds on this bike. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.